Mommy, 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 me can't talk to you.
I wonder what she want to talk about now.
Mommy, orientation of Friday, mommy. The 29th of August and school are open the 8th of September. And mommy, me just see you buy nothing for me.
So
Me
what me
back
have to
to
do with that,
school.
Cassandra?
Mommy, me now go back to school.
Little girl go sit down and top stress me
Mommy,
out. Hmm?
everybody get them things
Me have
already, mommy.
enough
I mean,
stress to
I see
deal with.
about nothing can I ask for me, mommy. Me not even hear you say, Cassandra, make me and you go town go shopping. Mommy, me not hear
Cassandra?
you say,
You have to have money to go town.
not
People
down.
can't
Me
go
not
town
hear
without
you
money.
say, mommy. Mommy, mommy, me not go back to school. Me can't
Oh,
believe,
that no
mommy, no,
concern
you
me.
know,
You going back to
having me
school
to
don't
go back
concern
to
me.
school.
Eh? Me never used to go to school back in my day.
Mommy, me not have nothing to go back to school, mommy. Mommy, not here, not buy for me. Mommy, everybody have things to go to school. And not here, not buy for me, mommy. Mommy, daddy not send no money. I can't believe. Mommy, me not want to stay home and dance. Mommy, look how you look good every day, mommy. Mommy, every day you dress up and look good.
Cassandra? Cassandra, what you want me to do? Last term, all you do, Cassandra, is waste time at school, Cassandra. Cassandra, all you do is waste time. Don't come here now crying. Oh, mommy, mommy, mommy. You never buy anything for me to go back to school. Cassandra, it best you stay home. It best you find art and go, Cassandra, go learn a skill. You're not learning anything at school. Cassandra, when me go and pick up your reports, Cassandra, I was so ashamed. Eh? 50% you get, Cassandra, for your mathematics, which is important. English, Cassandra, you get 40. Cassandra, and you want me to still waste time on you to send you go to school, Cassandra? Where's your father never carry nothing? You know, see the big lifestyle where your father live, Cassandra? And him not carry nothing for you back to school. Nothing at all. Try father come with something. Rhodes father come with something. Eh? Millicent father come with something. Susan father come with something. Eh? And it's only your father alone that come with nothing. Nothing. Eh? And him in a good job. Good job. In a better job than the other pitney them pooper. Eh? And for them father could have come with something for them back to school for help out. And your father that is doing well don't come with nothing. Cassandra, nothing him not come with. Eh? I am tired. I am tired. I can't take it no more. I am tired. Eh? Me can't even buy panty for myself, not even clothes me not have, Cassandra. Because the little money when me get a China can't do so much things. By the time me buy food. But Cassandra, me buy food out of the money. Because I know every day on the father I come with something. Me have to pay rent out of the money. I mean, have to go to $1,500 a day if you go to school. And Lucky said he had a 3 pitney them. I walk go to school because the school not that far. Eh? But who no two want to take bus go to school, Cassandra? $1,500 a day. Eh? Sometimes the hungry I works until. Eh? Eh? You think I fat me fat? A gas pack me up, gas. We can't even find lunch to eat at daytime. Eh? Eh? And I don't like say me can't eat in a Chinese place and take anything to eat. It don't work so Cassandra it don't work so. But make I tell you something. If your father don't come with nothing, count school out of it this term. Count it out. Because me not do no more than what me can do. And that me I tell you, I mean I stand by what me say. Oh, too much pressure upon we as mother. Too much pressure upon we as mother. Oh, too much pressure upon we as mother. Oh, them need to start the suck about the father. Them when I help out. Oh, we tired. We tired. That's why we have so much stress and pain upon we. Because what? We are taking too much. Too much we are taking. Oh, and Cassandra, me no business. Oh, you can't always say you don't have a good mother. Oh, because whether you're good or you're bad, you still hear bad things. And I am not doing anymore.
So, mommy, what make you behave so? Mommy, what make you behave so? Mommy, may ask you one little bitty question, mommy. Mommy, I hear how much things you tell me, mommy. Mommy, look how much things you tell me. Mommy, what make you tell me all them only for something them, mommy? Eh? And I tell me about my father, and I tell me about my sister and brother, them father, mommy, all them they never necessary, mommy. Mommy, them something never necessary for you to tell me. Mommy, mommy, you have to learn to control yourself, you know, mommy. You can't tell me so much things, you know, mommy. Mommy, you can't tell me them only for something, you know, mommy. Mommy, I had tell lie to mommy, say me there a bus stop. Mommy, at school over, me come home. Mommy can't try tell them only for lie for me, mommy, and I do them something, mommy. Mommy, you don't like me. Mommy, you don't like me. Mommy, you don't like me, mommy. Mommy, you don't like me. Mommy can't try tell them only for lie them for me, mommy. God, my father. God, mommy, me don't know what happened to you, you know. Mommy, I never stay so. Mommy, I stress. Mommy, I stress. Because mommy, I never stay so.
Anybody who has
Mommy,
stress.
I never stay so, mommy. Mommy, me don't know what happened to you. Mommy, you have to try to take little rest here, mommy. Because me don't know how you stay so now, you know, mommy. Mommy, take little rest here.